Ayya Undu. Sarvamum Vaikundamayam. Dear friends, in this video we are going to see the specialities of Swamithopu. Swamithopu is considered as the primary holy place among Panchapadis, which is celebrated and considered in Ayyavali. It has many historical events related to Ayya Vaikunda. Ayya Vaikunda is the 10th incarnation of Lord Narayana. Even though he took his avatar in Tiruchendur, the ocean of milk, after providing the rules and regulations, there was Lord Muruga and Goddess Bhagavati. He came to Swamithopu and he did all the important events in Swamithopu. That is why Swamithopu is considered as the sacred venue of Ayyavali people. And also, Ayya Vaikunda did 6 years tavam or penance in Swamithopu. That time, he did lot of miracles. He healed 4,448 diseases by giving only the holy soil called Thiruman and the holy water called Muttiripadam. During his incarnation, King Kali came to know that Ayya Vaikunda is doing lot of revolution in Sanatana Dharma, and he treated all the people equally. So he got angry and he thought to arrest Ayya Vaikunda. So he came and arrested Ayya Vaikunda and he prisoned him in Thiruvananthapuram. He did lot of things to Ayya Vaikunda. He tried to kill him. But what are the efforts Kali took was failed, and Ayya won in all his punishments. After that, Ayya was carried in a vahana by his devotees to Swamithopu. Later, he incinerated the evil spirits and unified the 7 virgins with himself. Like this, lot of important events of Ayya Vaikunda happened in this sacred place. The main celebration is also now going on yearly 3 times during the Tamil month of Vaigasi, Avani and Thai. During these festivals, they used to host the flag, and it even called as Kodiyettu Villa. On the 11th day of this festival, they are taking the car procession also. It is really celebrated very grandly in Swamithopu. Yearly once during the month of Kartigai, there is another special festival called Thiriyadu Vasipu. It is happening for 17 days, and during these 17 days, the main holy scripture of Agilathiretta Ammanai was read melodiously and given the recitation. Why this festival is happening in this special month means it is considered as a very special month of Ayyavali people, because in this month only the holy scripture of Agilathiretta Ammanai was written by Hari Gopalan Cedar by the grace of Lord Narayana. So this is a very unique scripture given to Ayyavali people. Not only Ayyavali people, we can say it is considered as the holy scripture of this world. And this is the only unique scripture which has been given by God in Kali Yuga. So this month is considered as the sacred month, so they are doing this festival on this month. Many people from other parts of India visited Swamithopu and getting the blessings of Lord Ayya Vaikunda. As per Ahilam, the Swamithopu was known as Techana in olden days, and it is not only a sacred place in Kali Yuga. Before Kali Yuga, it is considered as the holy place. It has lot of other historical events also. Arjunan in Dwapara, he did penance in this Techana and got Pasubada Astira from Lord Shiva. King Adi, he did penance in Techana to get Parvati as his daughter. Saint Parasara, he did penance and got a son, a unique son and extraordinary son, who knows all the three times, the past, the present, and future events of this world. Like that, Swamithopu is having lot of historical events, and it is considered as the holy place of Ayyavali. So, dear friends, this is a very important holy place that you should visit once in your life. So, please try to visit Swamithopu and get the blessings of Lord Ayya Vaikundar. Ayya.